Okay, guys, on the next episode of Another Pair of Shoes, I'm joking, but I'm not joking. I was in the actual store and I liked these. I wasn't able to try them on and they didn't have anything close in my size. So this will be the first time that I'll be trying it on with you guys. You guys tell me what you think. I don't know. Am I going to like them? Do I want to keep them? So unbox these shoes with me. Ooh, very, very fun. It's like definitely a carry over of the whole cowboy, cowgirl denim vibe that Christian Louboutin had going on for the past, 2 seasons now? Very, very fun shoe. So what do you guys think? It's out there, but it's not out there. Also, these booties, they have Christian Louboutin's new protective sole on it. And I only see this sole, if I'm not mistaken, on the shoes that they have the really exaggerated points. So when I say protective sole, it protects the red color on the bottom. So it's not really their old bottom of shoe. It's more of a plastic rubber, so it doesn't wear and tear like the old style of shoe or whatever. This could be fun. Let's try these on. I'll need some booties for this. I was trying on shoes in YSL earlier and they have these amazing try-on stockings, really good material. All right, let's try these bad boys on. What do we think? I don't know, guys. What do we think about these? Are we loving it? I take this off. Then what? Are they a keeper? Don't know. You guys are gonna have to help me out. So I don't know, guys. After trying them on, what do you guys think? But I don't know if I absolutely love it. Is it a shoe that I really don't need? Who says cat?